Hello, welcome to today's video. Today's video we will be talking about coronavirus and its symptoms. What is a coronavirus? A coronavirus is a virus that is found in animals. Sometimes these viruses can be transmitted from animals to humans, although it is rare. Officials do not know what animal caused the Wuhan coronavirus, although the market it is linked to also sold wild animals, like snakes and crocodiles. Recently, an outbreak of the Wuhan coronavirus in China has caused global concern. It came from a seafood and meat market in Wuhan, China, in December. It has since spread to other countries, including the United States. The market sold live and recently killed animals, which is where the virus originated. What's more, an investigation showed that 3 people in Germany who worked at the Webasto also tested positive for 2019 nCoV. Of these 3 employees, only one had contact with the Shanghai resident during a meeting. This suggests that the German man infected at least 2 of his co-workers, also before he had notable symptoms. All 4 of the German employees with 2019 nCoV were hospitalized in Munich for monitoring. So far, none of these 4 patients show signs of severe illness. The fact that asymptomatic persons are potential sources of 2019 nCoV infection may warrant a reassessment of transmission dynamics of the current outbreak, the authors said. Currently, there are 9,925 total cases of the new coronavirus, including 9,783 cases and 213 deaths in China. The news that the virus can spread before a person has symptoms puts a huge burden on screening efforts for the virus in the United States, Dr. Anthony Fauci, director of the U.S. National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases, said during a White House news conference on Thursday. At the same conference, officials declared that U.S. citizens who have traveled to Hubei province in China, where the outbreak originated, will be subject to a 14-day mandatory quarantine upon returning to the U.S. In addition, Americans who have traveled to the rest of China will undergo screening at airports and are asked to self-quarantine for 14 days. Foreign nationals who have traveled in China in the past 14 days will be denied entry into the U.S., officials said. In addition to the Wuhan coronavirus, other human coronaviruses have included the MERS virus, or Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, the SARS virus, or Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome, which first occurred in the Guangdong province in southern China. It is believed that both MERS and SARS are more serious than Wuhan coronavirus. What are the symptoms of a coronavirus? Unlike MERS and SARS, the Wuhan coronavirus is usually fairly mild. It can take longer for symptoms to develop. Symptoms may include a mild cough, shortness of breath, a runny nose, a sore throat, a headache, a fever. So far, only 15 to 20% of cases have become severe. Those with weakened immune systems may develop more serious symptoms, like pneumonia or bronchitis. So far, only people 40 years old and older have developed the Wuhan coronavirus infection. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.